In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the text element to your document. Add element, text. You can make a lot of the same changes to the text element as you can with the student field element. I think with text, it's particularly important to make sure you're labeling these properly because most documents or certificates will have multiple text fields. It's important to keep them all straight when you're making modifications or stacking elements in the arrangement that you want. So I'm going to call this one certificate title. And the text element always appears in the top left-hand corner. A note about height and width. We recommend unchecking the auto button on width and entering a maximum allowed width. And then leaving the height on auto. And this combination forces the text to scale so long words fit in the real estate you provide. This is particularly important if you're going to check customizable in the detail setting so that people ordering or creating certificates can enter their own text into the field. So you don't want that text either getting cut off or overflowing into other things. You want to make sure that this text space fits the maximum amount of space that you have on your certificate or your document. And the best way to do that is to set a width and then leave height on auto. So you can change the font, you can change the size of the type, just like the student field element. And I'm going to make this centered. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Now if I click the text settings, I can change the content, the default content that appears here. So I'm going to call this, let's call it certificate title. And I'm going to make this one customizable. When someone is going to order a certificate, they can change the title of the certificate when they're placing the order. So this could be a reading award or excellent behavior award or whatever it is the person placing the order wants the certificate to be. And I'll make that happen by checking the customizable button. As always, make sure that when you're done, you save your changes before moving on to another document.